Let's color this picture of Fergie from Alice's Wonderland Bakery. Let's begin first on the glasses. They're turquoise blue. Okay, let's color in his eyes a golden brown. And we're going to use pink for the inside of his ears, nose, and tongue. Alright, let's move on to his outfit. We're going to color his shirt mustard yellow, his suspenders and bow a mulberry pink, and his pants purple. Alright, lastly, let's color in the clock. We're going to color it in golden yellow, all the numbers green, and the clock hand orange. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching.